In a striking disconnect within global energy markets, domestic state-run oil marketing companies have implemented their fourth consecutive retail fuel price hike in less than 2 weeks. The latest upward revision has pushed petrol prices in the national capital past the psychologically crucial 100 per litre milestone, even as international crude oil benchmarks took a sharp downward turn.
On the global stage, crude oil prices slid toward 2-week lows early Tuesday, dropping below the ₹100 per barrel mark. This relief was primarily driven by measurable progress in intensive, high-stakes diplomatic negotiations between the US and Iran since late February, raising strong market optimism over an imminent peace deal and the subsequent reopening of the critical Strait of Hormuz logistic choke point. However, this international de-escalation has completely failed to translate into immediate relief for Indian consumers at a pump. In the national capital, petrol prices were raised by 2.61 per litre, bringing the retail cost to 102.12 per litre. Similarly, diesel prices surged by 2.71 per litre, positioning the fuel at 95.20 per litre in Delhi. Parallel price escalations were recorded across other major domestic metropolitan hubs, including Kolkata, Mumbai, and Chennai. The impact of these volatile energy dynamics extends far beyond India, triggering severe inflationary pressures across neighboring countries and regional economies. Pure Report, Chini, Khorang.